Let's begin with nice standing pose, removing any props that happen to be in your way from practicing before. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and begin our practice with our feet together, toes touch, heels apart. Inhale, right arm reaches up. Drip the left hand down your leg as you begin to reach over and find a stretch out the side body. And then inhale, come back through center, release that right hand down, slide the left arm up, exhale, take it all the way over. Inhale, back through center, and then float, right arm up, take it all the way over, left hand down. Inhale, back through center, and then take it all the way over, relax the right hand down the leg, left arm lifts. Inhale, both arms lift back up to palms touch. Exhale, hands hard. On your next breath, feet together, gentle bend in the knees. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, articulate the spine, roll yourself down. Tummy touches the thighs, tuck your head, forward fold. Inhale, roll yourself back up, reach the arms up. Exhale, float yourself back down. Inhale, roll yourself back up. Exhale, roll yourself back down. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, bend the knees, step back, right knee down to the ground. Walk your left foot forward slightly so the knee is over the ankle. Using a block here and maybe the blanket underneath your knee for support. When you're ready, inhale, lift the left arm up, find a twist. On your next exhale, release your palm down to the ground. Step forward, right leg, forward fold. On your next breath, take your blanket behind you, step back, left leg, knee down to the ground. Take your block, place your left hand on the block, and on your next breath, sweep the right arm up, twist. As you exhale, release your hand back down. Remove your prop here, and then kindly step your left foot to meet your right, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms up, biceps by your ears, bend your knees, little chair pose. Inhale, all the way to standing. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Bend the knees significantly here. Reach your hands underneath the backs of your heels. Pinkies touch. Squeeze the elbows towards each other, and then from here, gently begin to straighten the legs as you pull those heels up with your hands. Tuck your head. Take 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. Another option is just to release the heels and reach for opposite elbows, pressing the legs into your arms. Last breath here. Bend your knees, relax here, come right into your chair pose. And inhale all the way to standing. Release the hands down by your sides, and on your next breath, press your weight into the right foot, left foot, inner calf, inner thigh, inner ankle, little tree. 3 breaths. When you're ready, release your foot back down, switch sides, press into your left foot, take your right foot, inner calf, inner ankle, inner thigh. Should you wish to grow your arms, you can grow your arms. If you'd like to keep your arms down, keep your arms down, or take the position that serves you best. 2 more breaths. When you're ready, return back to center. Inhale, arms reach up, offer your intention. Exhale, hands to heart. Enjoy the rest of your day, and namaste.